Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to move, backup and transfer photos inside the Google Photos app into a new phone. Please make sure to watch this video till the very end so you don't miss out on vital information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to your Play Store, search for Google Photos and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Once that's done, click on Open. Alright, once you've opened up Google Photos, click onto your profile, top right hand corner of your screen, and make sure you're signed into the right Gmail account. And once you've done that, click on Turn on Backup. And then click on Turn on Backup again. And here you go, it will say your status of your backup. In my case, I'm waiting for Wi-Fi and I've got almost 1200 items left to go. So once I'm connected to a Wi-Fi network, it will be backed up. But in saying that, your account storage on this version, there's only 15 gigabytes to use as storage. If you want to unlock more storage, click on Unlock Storage. Then it will come to this page here. Get 75% off more storage for 3 months. Click on Get Offer. And once your photos have been backed up, simply sign into your Google Photos into your new phone and all your photos will be there. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.